Now, once we get in here with all the supplies, you can take a good look at it. We're not going to tell you what we're going to build, but just comment and let's see who can guess what it is.
Blonde man can learn how to build.
Okay guys, what we're going to do is we've got a build coming and we're building at the neighbors. You'll meet them later.
Does your tailgate still work? That's promising.
I've got the new handle for the tailgate, but I haven't put it on.
Yeah. Mine doesn't work. Well, it works, but you gotta pull the buttons.
Well, the label came off the tight bond. It is raining and we took the open truck.
Oh, what is that?
That's to bend the conduit.
Yeah.
So we got to bend this conduit. All right, you got anything to say? Don't say what we're building. It's going to be a guess. It's going to be a comment in the box below.
Ooh, okay, one of those games. So, we are going to build something. We're going to build. Guess what it is? Leave a comment below.